Do you want to speak English? Do you want to become fluent English speaker? But you are waiting for perfect time. You thinking about the perfect time. One day perfect time will come, then I start to speak English, then I become fluent English speaker. If you are thinking like that, if you're thinking like that, friend, this is your biggest mistake. If you are waiting perfect time, this is your biggest mistake. Perfect time never will come. And if you are waiting for perfect time will come, then I start to speak English, then you will never speak English. Okay? Because perfect time never will come, friends. We can practice for perfect time. If you want to become a perfect English speaker, friends, and one thing keep in your mind that nobody is perfect in whole world. If you are thinking perfect, no one is perfect, or only God. Only God is perfect. Otherwise, there is nobody in whole world is perfect. Okay. So if you are thinking for perfect time, one day perfect time came, then I start to speak English. This is your biggest mistake, friends. Don't wait perfect time. You try to speak whatever you want to speak, whatever you know, yaar. In starting, you can make so many mistakes. And you know, mistake is the natural part of the learning. Learning का एक स्वाभाविक सा भाग है गलती करना, यार. And you know, English speaking is the skill, friends. And when you are going to learn any skill, friends, in starting you can make mistakes. So if you want to learn English, in starting you can make mistake, but these mistakes are slowly disappear, and you will able to speak whatever you want to speak. So friends, if you are waiting for perfect time, don't wait for perfect time, because perfect time never will come, and you will never speak English if you are waiting for perfect time. Okay. And second thing also I want to tell you all, don't compare yourself with other people. That people are speaking good English, I am not speaking. You do your work here, you try to speak English. Give time to yourself. If you give time to yourself, friend, now slowly you get fluency, you know grammar very well, but it's take time, not suddenly. Okay. And also I want to say something, friends, that's very important to you. If in starting you can make many mistakes, you already know you can make many mistakes, friends, but consistency is also very important thing, friends. You try to speak daily 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes, as much as possible for you. You do these things, and you know, friends, practice makes a man perfect. So if you do practice, friends, regularly, consistently, friends, without making gap, you will able to speak English. One day nobody can stop to you from English speaking. These things is practical things, friends. In starting, I afraid of English speaking. When when we were trying to speak English, my hands, my feet were trembling. We couldn't speak a single word, friends, in starting time. But after practicing, friend, day by day, practicing whatever we know, right now I'm making mistakes. I know, yeah, there are so many mistakes I'm making. But these mistakes are slowly disappear, and we come to speak properly English. One day I know. So in starting I can make mistake, I know, yeah. But I also know these things. One day I will speak English, whatever I want to speak, perfectly English. Nobody can stop to you, and nobody can stop to me from English speaking if I give myself time each and every day. So friends, only one things I want to say you. डोंट वेट फॉर परफेक्ट टाइम बिकॉज परफेक्ट टाइम नेवर विल कम. हमें अपना टाइम परफेक्ट बनाना पड़ता है, परफेक्ट टाइम कभी नहीं आता. ओके, सो स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग फ्रॉम टुडे, नॉट टुमारो. ओके, डू इट टुडे नॉट टुमारो, डू इट नाउ नॉट टुडे. ओके फ्रेंड, आज से इंग्लिश बोलिए, अभी से बोलिए, और एक दिन आप बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलेंगे, बिलीव करिएगा. ओके friends, these are all the things I wanted to share with you all. I hope you found this video useful to you. If yes friends, don't forget like, share and subscribe. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and have a nice day friends.